I was born at the end of the 1950s in southeast London, at a time where there was still very thick pea soup fogs in the wintertime. Not that I was born at a foggy time, I was born in May and in a heat wave as well. So perhaps that's why I've always enjoyed warm weather in the garden. My earliest memory was sitting on our kitchen steps. This was at 33 Dominic Drive in New Eltham, southeast London. And in my memory, I'm playing with wooden beads in a saucepan. I used to love to rattle them around in this pan and hear them clattering, and that's probably why I was put on the back step rather than being allowed to play with this saucepan inside the house. Okay, well, something that I do an awful lot of is knitting. I learnt to knit, my mum taught me to knit, probably when I was about 11 or 12. And because I'm trying to talk and knit at the same time, I'm knitting very, very badly. So anybody watching this will be thinking, gosh, has she really been knitting a long time? Because she doesn't know what on earth she's doing.